My name is Kajal Vora and I am now a professional yoga teacher and a YouTuber. I grew up in a family where there was no awareness about healthy living, no awareness about importance of fitness and movements. In my early 20s, when I had just very recently moved to United States as an immigrant, I was diagnosed with an autoimmune condition called as rheumatoid arthritis. And being young and being physically challenged, where I was not able to move, even basic physical movements were very challenging, and I struggled a lot physically and mentally as well.
All throughout my life, I've never ever had any issues. I've hardly taken any medicine in my life. Got married, come here and come to know that you got married and your wife has a disease that's not curable, and it's the disease that is very difficult to live with because you're constantly in pain, and the only thing you can do is manage that with the steroids and other medicines.
I was on a lot of medications early on after my diagnosis, and because of those medications I was asked not to get pregnant. I really wanted to have kids. I grew up in a big family and I wanted at least 2 kids, if not more, and so that was like a turning point in my life. I was very fortunate to come across alternate medicine called as homeopathy. I discovered this homeopath in India who helped me find this one positive milestone in my life, and after that I knew there was hopes for my health. I eventually discovered the practice of yoga at around the age of 30. It was my very first yoga class, and I didn't fall in love during my very first class. I actually hated it, but it made me realize how much out of tune I was with my own body. I really wanted to dive more deeper into my yoga practice, which is why I took a yoga teacher training with absolutely no intention to teach yoga. It was just to strengthen my own practice. But while doing that teacher training, I realized that I actually absolutely love teaching yoga. It truly was my passion. And I so started teaching yoga on the side while being a full-time engineer. But then the pandemic hit and I lost my job, and actually that, for me, I took that as an opportunity to transition myself from a full-time engineer into a full-time passion of health and wellness. The pandemic encouraged me to start my YouTube channel. You don't even need a yoga mat or stretchy pants for this practice, so no excuses.
So I think whenever you have someone in your family taking a specific path and you see the positive results out of it, subconsciously you will keep changing, right? So knowingly or unknowingly, I started changing my habits too. At this point of time, I can say that I'm probably halfway where she is today.
What my mom does helps us know what's right and what to put into our bodies, what's good and what's not good, and that'll affect us to our entire lives for other health problems.
I think it's pretty important. I think what you eat and what the stuff you do on a daily basis is important to determine how long you live and how you live your life. So I think it's really important.
Health is wealth is what I've experienced. You may have $1 million, but if you are bedridden at the age of 60 or 65 and you are not able to walk without support, or you cannot bend and you cannot do things, I mean, what are you going to do with money, right?
I am so grateful that I have discovered and committed myself to healthy living, because at the age of 20s, I was struggling so very much physically. I was challenged with basic physical movements, and I can't imagine what would have been the case once I get older. I'm sure it was just my health condition would have just got worsened.